All right, so if you guys own a Neo DJI drone, this is a perfect item for you guys. So this is a two-way charging station for two batteries, if you guys can see that. Now they do give you the USB Type C to Type C. The actual charging station, if you guys can notice, there is an indication of how much charge you have. So you just click on the button here, and right now we're missing one cell on this one, so we need to charge it. But charging station on the side, power buttons on here on the left, on the right hand side too. Also left hand if you're looking at it. Batteries slip on just like the regular charger. This is only going to house two batteries. All right, so if you're going to go out flying your drone to any area and you need extra charge, extra batteries, this is a perfect way, and it fits in pretty much in my pocket. Compared to the larger one, I'm gonna show you the larger one. Now, this does not fit in my pocket. This is gonna fit in my pocket. So if you wanna minimize what you're gonna carry, this is a perfect way just to take two batteries with you on the road. This does not fit in my pocket. It takes a longer time to charge too. This is very basic, easy to take with you and on the go. So we're gonna take this to a place and fly our drone with it, and this is perfect. Like I said, you need to charge it, just plug it in. We're gonna get the last cell before we leave. So let's put it to use and see how it works.